I love what you said about like, hey, it's gonna be able to test off of a set of documentation. And I've been around this long enough to know like how often does documentation not get updated, and how often is it like stale and old, and keeping those things organized. And the whole flow needs to advance in lockstep here. Otherwise,
Correct.
you're gonna run into these, gnarly issues, and you're gonna get stuck. I'd say like, I think the key takeaway here is like it's a tool, right? It's a nail gun. So you can
Mhm.
spend less time swinging hammers. It's going to get better. Teams are going to get more efficient, and really the whole flow of value delivery through software needs to be updated.
I think that's a great thesis, especially for a guy like you and your business. I mean, the
Yeah.
point is what got us here won't get us there. That's always the case.
Yep.
Just because it's always been done some way doesn't mean it's got to be done that way now. But we don't
Right.
throw away the lessons of the past. We need experts
Mhm.
in the full software delivery life cycle flow mechanics to help us evolve that whole picture in light of this new tool and these new emerging tools that we have.